Let us now animate this selected item screens, but before we do, because this is quite a long one, we don't want to make a copy right here below, but rather on the right. So what you can do is move some of these screens, just jump into the design part of it, move them right here, and then simply do Ctrl D for this one, and then simply drag them back into position like so. So why we did this is we want to make this one, so this is our first one, without any selections on it. Then we want to make the second one for the color, and then the third one for the size. So leave this one like it is, this one just leave the color, and we are going to hide, for the size, we're going to hide the frame, like so. And instead of apply selection, if you remember, we changed it to buy now. So we're going to do that for both of these buttons. So we're going to type in buy now, Control C, double click right here, Control V just to save a bit more time. You can close all of them up, and now we can do our animation. So click on the selected item, jump into the prototyping mode. And what we can do is for this arrow, if I select it and drag it back, we can go back to the room combination screen, and it's going to be tap, transition, instead of the dissolve, let's slide left and see how that looks like. So hit play, and when I click right here, it will slide left, or maybe we can change it to slide right because it will make a bit more sense. So click right here, click play, and hit slide right. As you can see, it does. So now what we can do is when you click on this color right here, it will take you to this screen, and instead of transition, we want to choose auto animate, ease out 3 seconds. It looks good. So now if I click right here, hit play and select the color, as you can see, it moves just a bit and it introduced this buy now button. So now what we want is hit right here so that we can make a selection for the size, leave all of it as it is because we want exactly the same animation. So hit on the first one, and when I hit here, you can see the animation is just slightly moving this color up. Click right here. As you can see, now we have this selection, and finally what we need is a buy now button. So when you click right there, maybe we want to include one more screen right here so that we can animate this, but let's move it from here to order details. So click right here, then right here, tap. We don't want auto animate, we want transition, we want to dissolve, ease out 3 seconds. So click right here, hit play, and when you click buy now, it will take you to this screen, but we want to do the same from here, like so. Because maybe people don't want to make a selection for the size. Maybe they want to go for the default size of whichever size it is. So maybe they can click buy now from here instead of from here, but majority of people will jump in right here. Now, if it was 59 centimeters in this case, this price right here will update, and then it will update here as well. But because we kept it simple with 124 for the price, as you can see, it's same right here. Total is this one right here. So we want to keep it as simple as possible for this process. So I think it looks nice. So once again, click right here, hit play, just so that we can see how it looks like. And you can see you can also scroll down and read more about this product. It looks nice. So when I click right here, slight animation occurs. You can hit size, so right here, and you can click buy now, it will take you to this screen. Now finally, we want to animate these 3 icons, so click on them separately, like so. It will take you to this screen. So dissolve looks well right here, and finally right here. So when I click on any of them and then click on the icon, it will take me to this screen. So I think it looks nice, it looks simple because that's what client wanted in the first place, and I think we did a good job for these screens. Now in the next video, we're going to jump into order details and create some nice animation for the swiping and removing of some of these items from the cart. So I'll see you there.